Hey friends, this is Wayne over for Ram Man. I'm gonna make a little video. I talk about our bench top mechanics and engineers from time to time. Praise God, we don't have too many of them. It really is for the volume that we do. It's only like 1 or 2 out of 100. And with a lot of our stuff custom, you know, that's really, really good numbers. So, right now we've got an old boy that bought a D200. That's our 8-lug right now. This has been out about 3 years. The other thing, what I like about our bench top people, here's what whenever I got something and I had a problem, I always thought that I was doing it wrong. Like a disc brake kit on a 73 Camaro, if I was having trouble knowing that people have installed 50,000 over the years, I would think I was doing something wrong. And a lot of our benchtop people, whether it's disc brake kits or whether it's locking hubs, they think that they're the only ones that got this. Like, I'm the only one that ever ordered a D200 kit, and I'm all special, and this is the first one, and there ain't no others, and I don't understand where that comes from. But we got an old boy telling Kate or whatever. First of all, he's complaining. She says he's nitpicking. First of all, he's complaining about the seal being too small. Or too big. Got a 1/4-inch gap right there. He's got his stick and all that. And talking about his bearings are wrong size and too big and all that. Now here's what we've noticed about our benchtop mechanics. And like I said, it doesn't matter whether it's disc brake kits, power units, or locking hubs. Normally they're scared of the project. They get the whole thing out and they nitpick through calipers. I mean, we've got people tell us the bolt patterns are wrong, rotors are too thick. You name it, we've heard it all. We don't know how to machine parts. The spacer's 100 thousandths too wide and it'll never fit. Crazy stuff we get told. Well, this gentleman right here, all D200s used an A5 and A3 bearing. Period, the end. All D200 bearings, spindles used an A5 and an A3. D100s used an A5 on the inside and an A2 on the outside. Up through 52, they used an A6, a smaller 1.25 inch, and an A2 75 on the outside. So, you know what this old boy's done? We send a big old packet of directions. Now, I'm going to tell you what he's done. He's analyzed it too much. He's left the bearing spacer out that's required. The bearing spacer goes on first, and then the bearing goes on. Now, here's the seal. Now, you're going to watch me put this on, and if you tell me that the seal is too big, you're an idiot. And it doesn't matter who you are. You can be my mama, and you're an idiot. Get any tighter than that, and you ain't gonna get it on. We've been selling D200s for 3 years. 3 years. And they've been revised 3 times because I felt like it, to make it simpler. I'm not a big box store. Somebody else doesn't make my kits. I make them and put them together and try to fit everything dozens of times. Because I never want to be called an idiot and put something out there that doesn't fit. How embarrassing is that? I can't blame it on somebody else. All anybody can say is, yeah, that Wayne Brown, he's an idiot. God bless you, God bless America, and happy trucking.